moving to our welcome view, so we have these two functions we need to complete yet. So we have forgot password button pressed and resend email button pressed. So let's write the code for our resend email, which is the simpler one. Say muser.resend password resend verification email, and the email we are going to pass our email text field.text, and we're going to just hit completion, and here we are going to give error as our variable name, and in case we have an error I'm going to say print error resending email, and we'll pass our error dot localized description. And for forgot password button, what we're going to do is first check if our user has inputted an email address. So I'm going to say if email text field.text is not equals to empty string, it means our user has inputted an email. And then we have an else statement, and we are going to show our user error here. So let's copy the part here, paste it here, and instead of all fields are required, we are going to say please insert email. And in case if we do have an email, we are going to write a function to reset our password. I'm going to call the function now. It's reset the password. And this function we are going to write under our helper functions. So it's private func reset the password, and here we are going to access our muser. Let me see if I have, okay, we have it correct. So we access our muser dot reset password for, and the email will be our email text field.text. Completion is going to be just error variable name, and here we are going to check if we had an error is equals to nil. This is the case that we had no error, and else there was an error, and in the case of an error we want to just present our user with the error, and this is, we need a self keyword in front of them, and the text is going to be our error localized description. And in case if there are no errors, we are going to again present our user with this AUD, but instead of error, this is going to be success indicator, and the text is going to be reset password email send. Okay, and this function will be called as soon as we have our reset button pressed. So let's see what we are missing here. Let's jump back to our F user, and this is the part of my mistake. I'm asking to return an error here while we need a void. And now getting back to our welcome view, and this is not necessary here. So the error should go away, and we are ready to run and test our application with reset and resend password for email verification.